Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Help and Case Management template and explore its contents. To install Help and Case Management, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can help your users to self-serve by providing access to useful features like knowledge articles and FAQs. When ready, select Install. Once a template has been installed, head to the Pages section to check out your new content. Some of the template functionality has already been covered in other template videos. Here we will focus on template specific and essential features only. Locate and select the support page. This is the main page of the template. The page contains a list block displaying alerts with the business continuity content category assigned. When you select the alert view page opens in a modal window. Underneath, there is a search block using auto-suggest functionality. You can head directly to the results page by selecting search. The next list block displays content categories. When you select a category, the support category page opens. This page has a dynamic title with the content category you selected. Any articles, FAQs and useful links that you have created for this category are found here. The call to action at the bottom of the page will redirect you back to support. Back on the support page, you will find a call to action with a link to open the Raise a Case page in a modal window. View Closed will open the Closed Cases page in a modal window. A few rich text blocks have been configured underneath the case list block. Feel free to edit these to fit with your organisation's needs. Check out a few changes we made here. Consider setting up an integration with your support system where you can manage your cases. Or manage your cases directly from your Applaud platform with the Case Admin page. Select the menu of the case you wish to manage and select Edit. This opens the Case Admin Edit page in a modal window. Here you can manage case details and close a case by selecting Closed. When closed, the case will appear on the Closed Cases page, which users can view from the support page. Congratulations, you successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.